Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this isosceles triangle ABC along with this segment AD. As you can see in this given diagram, such that this point D lies on this side BC, and moreover this side AB length equal to this side AC length. And furthermore, this angle DAB is being represented by x, whereas this angle ADC is 2 times x. And finally, the angle CAD is 3 times x. And now our task is to find the value of angle x. And please bear in mind, we are not supposed to be using calculators of any kind. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. And please keep in mind that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started, and let's focus once again on this blue triangle ABC. We know this angle is x, this angle is 2 times x, and finally this angle is 3 times x. And here's our very first step. Let's focus on this triangle ABD. And now let's make an observation. We can see this angle is x, whereas this angle is 2 times x. So therefore, let's recall the exterior angle theorem. According to this theorem, the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of two opposite interior angles, as you can see in this given diagram. Here we can see our exterior angle is C, whereas A and B are our two opposite interior angles, such that angle C is going to be equal to the angles A plus B. And now we are going to apply this exterior angle theorem on this given problem. And here we can see this 2x is our exterior angle, and that is going to be equal to the sum of these two opposite interior angles. So therefore we conclude that this angle ABD has got to be x as well, such that angle x plus angle x has got to be equal to our exterior angle 2 times x. And now we are going to focus on this whole triangle ABC, and we can see this is an isosceles triangle, since this side AB length equal to this side AC length. So therefore we conclude that this angle has got to be congruent to this angle DCA. If this angle is x, then our angle DCA has got to be x as well. And here's our final step. Now we are going to focus on this triangle ACD, and we can see its interior angles are x, 2 times x, and 3 times x. And now let's recall the triangle sum theorem. According to this theorem, the sum of 3 interior angles in a triangle is always 180 degrees. So therefore the sum of these 3 interior angles must be equal to 180 degrees. Let's go ahead and add those interior angles. Our first angle is x, the second angle is 2 times x, plus the third angle is 3 times x, and that must be equal to 180 degrees. Let's combine these like terms. So that is going to give us 6 times x equals to 180 degrees. And now I am going to divide both sides by 6 to isolate x. So therefore we can see 6 and 6 is gone. So therefore our angle x value simply turns out to be equal to 30 degrees. So thus, after all the calculations and manipulations, our angle x value turns out to be 30 degrees. So therefore our angle x value turns out to be 30 degrees. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.